Hi, I'm Jelai. If you're new here, I make videos that I can explore my capabilities to challenge myself.
Parang feeling ko every year. Pinang salapi. Nang? Alipin ng salapi, corporate stay. Hardis eh. Tsaka Egypt.
Dates lang ba?
Hardis kasi galing States.
Wala lang per table.
Video.
Papasok sila weirdness niya. Sabi ko sa akin, yan na naman natin bukas na. Ay, sorry. Ano to? Para saan to? Hindi ko alam. Uy, pero baka para saan to? Para saan to?
Sa pagkain.
Okay na. Ayun yun, di mo ba may walang ulam na to?
Masarap pala pag food may microwave nyo ba? Nilasang tinola.
Guys, tanggalin na natin yung
Ay, yung mga empty.
mag-standing ovation na. Bakit ibig sabihin kaya ganun yung award niya?
May pag ganun pa eh.
Yung isa, yung isa.
Hello people. So I haven't talked to the camera for a very long time, and I just actually wanted to say thank you for still being here, for my new subscribers, and for continue watching my once in a week videos or vlogs. And I hope that you like this kind of style of videos that I put in one vlog. Random videos that I take every day, and it's like a part of my everyday life that I wanted to share to you guys. So thanks again for still sticking around and still being here, and I hope to see you all in another one. Bye!